Hi, I'm Francesca. Welcome to Food Ingredients Europe. I'm here with Bimal Kalvani from Elchais. Thank you so much for being in Frankfurt and at the show this week.
Thank you for having me here, Francesca.
Great. So to kick off, could you start by describing the origins of the business and its evolution over the decades in terms of activities and capabilities in the dehydrated products segment?
Sure. We have two locations in terms of production sites. One is in Netherlands and the other one is in France. Both of them were started by farmer cooperatives. The one in Netherlands was started in the 1940s. Then we moved to our current location in the 1950s.
Yeah.
The one in France was started in 1980s and is still at the same location. We have a big campus in France. Over a certain time period, the company went through change of hands. The last owner over here was Sensient Europe, which is an American company, Sensient Corporation, and then they decided to spin out the company in Sensient Europe part of it in 2017. That's when we became Elchais.
Got it.
And the Elchais name comes from the first two letters of Elberg, which is our site in Netherlands, and the last four letters out of France, which is in Marseille. So we combined that, and that's how we came about the name of Elchais.
And could you outline your product portfolio today, both in terms of your extensive in-house production and your wider distribution offering as well?
Sure. As far as in-house production goes, we produce the green peas, we produce green beans, we produce potatoes, we produce onions, we produce carrots. Carrots we produce at both the sites. Peas we produce only in France, green beans only in Netherlands. So depending on what product it is, we select a site and that's where we try and produce. In terms of capacity, we have the largest installed capacity of air drying in Western Europe. We also do freeze drying. We also do pre-cooking. We also do milling, blending, anything that the customer wants. It's everything under one roof.
Yeah.
Our vacuum puff process is patented and it's the only one in the world existing anywhere.
And what is your reach as a company today regarding the various physical locations, which you've touched on, and also your market presence?
Sure. As far as market presence goes, let me take that first and then I'll go to the locations.
Yeah.
We supply our products into baby food markets. We supply our products into human food markets. We supply our products into pet food markets. So anybody who's living, you will get the products that we can produce and supply to you. As far as shipping goes and locations, we ship from our locations in Europe and we also ship from our warehousing in Chicago area. So we have a global presence in terms of shipping. Doesn't matter where the customer is, we will deliver our products to wherever the customer is, provided it is approved by the European laws and the American laws.
And quality is clearly paramount across the food industry. So how does your team ensure the high standards are maintained throughout the company's operations?
Very good question. At the end of the day, the most important thing is food safety and food quality. That's what we provide our customers because we keep in mind that all the products that we provide into the market are basically ingested by living beings. We don't want anybody to fall sick, die, or any one of those things.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have very, very strict quality controls, food safety controls. Our primary business premise is we work on three legs. Food safety and quality is the first leg. The second leg is basically customer service. We make sure we deliver to the customer what they want when they want it. And the third important point is value pricing. We also have another secondary portfolio that we're developing rapidly for distributed products where we get it from our Elchais partner supplier network. We're starting to build that very rapidly, that we can provide those products with the same attributes that we produce in our factories. So the customer is oblivious to the quality aspect. It's just the country of origin changes.
Yeah. Well, really exciting and enjoy the rest of the show. I know you're busy with meetings, so thanks for being here.
Very nice to meet you and looking forward to having shows. So far the traffic has been very busy since the morning and we're looking for a good show.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.